Welcome to the world of Tesla's keyless entry. In this video, we'll explore how to add and manage keys in your Tesla app. Tesla uses phone key and digital key technologies to replace traditional keys, offering a seamless and secure experience. This system leverages Bluetooth and NFC for encrypted communication, providing keyless entry, starting, and driving. We will focus on how to set up and use these features effectively. Tesla uses phone key and digital key technologies to replace traditional keys, offering a seamless and secure experience through Bluetooth and NFC. Let's get started with setting up your phone key. First, ensure your Tesla model supports phone key. This works on all models from 2017 onward, but is optimal on 2020 and newer vehicles. Next, download and install the Tesla app. Make sure you have version 4.28 or higher for the best experience. Once installed, open the app and log in with your Tesla account credentials. Now in your Tesla vehicle, navigate to Controls, then Locks, and select Phone Key on the touchscreen. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and make sure you're within 3 meters of the car. Follow the pairing prompts that appear. Finally, set up a PIN for backup access. This provides security if your phone fails. Setup is complete. Your phone now acts as a digital key for your Tesla, allowing keyless entry, starting, and driving. Tesla's key system employs robust security measures. It includes device authentication and two-factor verification for key sharing. For optimal security, always update your Tesla app to the latest version and avoid pairing your phone on public Wi-Fi networks. In 2024, a software glitch highlighted the importance of rapid updates. Consider adding biometric authentication, fingerprint, or facial recognition for an extra layer of security. Regularly review and remove any unnecessary keys from your account. Experiencing issues with your phone key? Let's troubleshoot common problems step by step. First, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and the Tesla app has the necessary permissions, such as location and Bluetooth access. If the car isn't recognizing your phone, try restarting both your phone and the Tesla app to refresh the connection. In areas with poor connectivity, or if your phone battery is low, use the physical key card as a backup to access your vehicle. If issues persist after trying these steps, check Tesla's support site or contact Tesla service for further assistance. Finally, always keep your key card in a safe, accessible location for emergencies. Tesla integrates digital key cards with third-party wallets like Apple Wallet and Google Pay. This enables offline access, essential during app outages or connectivity problems. To set up, open your Tesla app and follow the instructions to add your digital key to your preferred wallet. This provides a convenient and reliable backup access method. The future of Tesla keys includes greater biometric integration with fingerprint and iris scanning for secure access. This involves using fingerprint recognition to unlock vehicles securely. Iris scanning uses eye patterns for authentication. Support is expanding to smartwatches like Apple Watch for convenient access. By 2027, FSD-enabled vehicles may unlock by recognizing the owner's face or voice. Tesla is exploring universal EV keys for cross-brand compatibility. Stay tuned for more innovations in keyless technology. Real-world examples show Tesla's digital key in action. A California family successfully shared their Model Y digital key with their teenager for weekend use, utilizing the app's usage tracking logs to ensure safety and prevent overuse. Rental services like Turo have adopted Tesla's QR code digital keys, enabling faster vehicle handovers. Studies show this reduces rental processing time by 30%, making car sharing more efficient. Security experts from organizations like the Electronic Frontier Foundation praise Tesla's strong AES 256 encryption, but caution against over-reliance on smartphones, noting potential access issues in areas with poor connectivity. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has stated that digital keys are the future of mobility, particularly emphasizing their role in autonomous driving, where vehicles could unlock upon recognizing the owner's face or voice. Remember to stay informed about Tesla's evolving key technology by keeping your app updated and following best practices for digital security.